All right.
All right.
This is the moment.
Here we go.
Let's go see.
Sounds good.
Let's go see outside.
Ah! That's Greywater!
That's Greywater right there. There you go.
She looks good. It's a thirsty earth.
So now we'll find out how much we really use. Taking a shot. Brand new though, right?
Yeah. So actually you could drink it. Yeah.
So, if you want a longer hose, I'll get another piece. That way you can move it around.
Wait. You go outside. Wait.
What happens when most people move it around per day, and it'll just saturate that one area.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to create a swamp.
No, you don't want to create a swamp.
And because these guys are all, sort of California shade tolerance. Because this side doesn't get a lot of light. And in winter it gets little or none. So these are all shade.
Okay,
So they don't need a lot of water. Yeah.
You pull that handle.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.